Hi everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry that I have been kind of MIA with the holidays. It was kind of hard to answer comments and like I normally do, but you know that I do try to answer you guys' comments as quickly as possible and usually just try to answer them in general, and I haven't been real great as of lately. But I did want to get on here and I wanted to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope that you guys had a wonderful holiday, and then share with you a few things that I got from Black Friday sales. I think it was Black Friday, but it took a while to get here, along with some of my Christmas gifts. And most of the things that I received were, well, they're all craft related, but some things aren't stamping. I'm still going to show you because I love them and I'm excited, but let's go ahead and get started with our Black Friday stuff that I got. All right, so this box, don't mind this box, it's actually, I reuse my Brutus Monroe inspiration boxes for all kinds of things because, well, one, they're gorgeous, and two, they're just great for holding stuff. So this, and it's in this box because I've already been playing with it. So this was something I got from Artisaire, and it is a wax seal set. And so I was super excited to give wax seals a try. I have never done it, and so I really wanted to. And they had a deal going on where things were on sale. Not only were they on sale, but they also, like, if you spent so much, you got like these 3 little wax deals. Okay, so this is called Artisaire. That's the company name, and the wax seal that I got from them, they have so many options, and I'll have them linked down below, but the one that I got says from the Trask, so I don't know if you can see that. And the way I decided I would try it out with this is with their glue gun that they had. It's a low temp glue gun, and I'll tell you what, it's fun. Now, I don't know how these go through the mail. I haven't actually tried, but this is how my seal works. Kind of what I was thinking about was how fun it would be to just make up a bunch of these and then you could glue them onto your, but I don't know how they go through the mail very well. I'd have to actually do a little bit more research. However, I just thought it would be super fun. So I got some different colors. This is the sealing wax, and I guess this stuff is a little bit more flexible than, like, say, the wax that you heat up with, like, with the candle or that way. And then it gives you all the instructions. So I got these 3 colors, and then they gave me this one free, and I thought I would play around with that. So I'll play around with it, maybe send some stuff through the mail to, like, my mom and see how that gets there. But that was this, and yeah, so I'll have that linked down below to the shop and everything. I also got something from Altenew for Black Friday as well. So here's that. I went ahead because I don't know, whatever reason I went nuts with the wax kits, and this was on sale for like 70% off. So I was like, well, that's a great opportunity to try it. So this one makes a flower. This one says thanks. This one is a rose. This one is this cute little envelope, and this one says hello. I think this must have come free or something because I didn't order that. So I'm not sure. Maybe I missed something as far as, like, hey, with every purchase. But I got the 3D embossing folder, and it's the perfect poinsettias, which would have worked really well for Christmas had I actually pulled it out. So there's that. And then also you got a little thank you daisy stamp set as well. But this one is different. This is the one where you'd use like a candle, or you might even try to heat it underneath using your heat tool. And it comes with the little spoon, and then we had different colors. So there's the colors of, like, the little melts, and then they also had the wax seal stick set. So this works with these, so you'd melt like a couple of those or whatever for your seal. This one, these you'd melt over the candle or use the candle, like you light it like it's a candle, and then you could, you know, drip the wax onto there. Now the difference is these ones, I think, snap a little easier, so when you're opening your letter or whatever, they just open up a little easier. So there is that. That was, we'll see. It should be fun. I just have always wanted to try it. So that's what I did for Black Friday, and honestly, that's the only Black Friday shopping that I did. I just didn't do a lot. trying to save money for other issues and other things. All right, I did get the Rustic Wilderness and the Crackling Campfire. Finally got my hands on those two. Hadn't done that before. So these are two of the newest colors for Ranger, and would have been perfect for Christmas cards too, but they'll be great for other stuff as well. I mean, it's the Distress Oxides. Okay, now into some more gifts. This came from my amazing friend Kim, along with an ornament. Now the ornament's already packed away, I'm sorry, because I would have loved to have shown you. It is just absolutely cute. But Kim is adorable, and met her through this fun craft, and I just love her. So I haven't given it a shot yet, but because I do a lot with foil, she probably thought that I would love it. And this is the quick trimmer. So how it works, I believe, because I haven't actually tried it, is it's got interesting. Oh, that probably holds the little pockets. But this is, so it's got little grooves between there, and there's your cutting mat, and then you can use your cutter in between. This one's for paper, this one's for foil, which I love the idea of having one for foil for sure, because it's sometimes hard to cut that foil, and I like to cut it straight. I know that seems a little bit like, I don't know, it's probably crazy, but I just prefer it that way because it keeps it all straight. I'd rather do that than cut it with scissors. So there's that, and I believe those are probably the little pouches that will hold it, or hold the little cutters. But thank you, Kim, you're the best. So I'm excited to play with that. All right, this was not for Christmas, but I will show you because I'm excited about it. I bought myself a little gift. All right, so these came from Hydracolour. Now, you've seen me use these before. These are the Trinity stamps. It's this darling little palette, and it has these 3 colors in it, and they're magnetized to their little rose gold, little empress, and little nugget. And so you've seen me use these before, and I really enjoyed them so much that I went to Hydracolour, because this was a collaboration between Hydracolour and Trinity Stamps that came up with this darling little palette. So I went to Hydracolour to see what else she had, and she had some sales going on. So I went ahead and got a few colors. There's some candy in there too. I haven't swatched them out yet. I just have not had a lot of time. But I'll have her store linked down below. This color is called Fuego. And the neat thing about them is that they're one color, but and here's Jade, Oasis, we've got Orion, and Tropical Fern. So what the color you see here isn't really the color that it is going to be painted out. I'll try to have a swatch done later. Maybe I'll post that onto my Instagram so you can see what they actually look like all swatched out eventually. But they're metallic, and they're some of the colors are color shifting, which is, I think, so cool. And they look really nice on white and on black paper. So this was just a little gift to myself. I got that because you all know I like to paint, and I just thought that was fun. So yeah, I'll have her store linked down below. All right, now on to some Christmas gifts that my family gave me. We draw names on my husband's side of the family, and so my brother-in-law got my name, and he got me this innovative desk lamp. Now, I'm not going to be using this for my desk. I'm actually going to attach it to my chair that I sit in out in the living room, so that way I can have a little bit of extra light. I'm super excited about that because it's sometimes hard for me to do like the cross stitch that I like to do, or even doing my coloring, because I don't have a lamp by me. We live in an older home, and so it doesn't have lights everywhere, and there aren't a lot of switches. So this will be super, super handy. So I'm excited to give that a try. He also gave me some alcohol inks. This is just going to add to my collection. These are some colors I didn't have. So it's caramel, I can remember the colors. Caramel, ginger latte, or ginger and latte. So just those 3 new colors. So I'll add those to my crafting, or my my swatch book. He also got me the toner sheets. I had some of this on my list, my Amazon list, so I was pretty excited when these showed up because I've been wanting to get these anyway. I like to save the leftover pieces, and these will be great to use with those leftover pieces. So then you'll use all that foil up, which is nice. So there's that. All right. Then, it's more stamping goodness. This wasn't a gift either, except unless you want to say it was a gift to myself. Couldn't resist. I loved this one. Loved it. This is called The Paper Hug by Simon Says Stamp. I just thought that this was fabulous. Just a great way to send a lot of cards to people. And I did get the matching dies. I don't typically do that because it seems like the ones from Simon Says Stamp are usually a little bit pricier. Mostly because they're from big sets, so that might be why. But I went ahead and got it because I thought it would just be really, really handy for all the different pictures, which I thought were great. Oh, and it also will cut out this hug, which is nice as well. So there's that one. What is this one? Oh, I got the Paper Hugs die itself, so this will cut out what you see here. And I just thought that was great because that would go really well with those or just on its own. I also got the Darling Lil Critters Corgi because I told you guys this before. My son loves the Corgis, and so I love it. He's the same size. That's cool. So what you see here is what's going to cut out. That'll fit nicely onto an A2 size card front. You know, either way you want to do it, and the Paper Hugs will also. So there is that little guy. And then our last one that I got from Simon Says Stamp was this one that says, this is called the We're Like Toilet Paper. This was not like a new release or anything. I just thought it would be fun. Not just because of all the toilet paper shortage of 2020, but I just thought it was kind of cute. The different sayings are, I'm here for you, you're on a roll, we cover each other in even the crappiest situations. We're like toilet paper. I love you with all my toilet paper. My stash of toilet paper is bigger than my heart. And I'd share my toilet paper with you. I just thought that was fun. And PU, and then, you know, the Don't Panic. I don't think I read these ones off. Actually, I know I didn't. And I did get the matching dies to go with that. So it'll cut out a couple of words. As well as all the little pieces like the empty roll, which is really cute. And the other. This one says, sending a huge, and then you could put hug, I miss your hugs, long distance, a big, big hug. I wanted to hug you in person, but I couldn't find a big enough envelope. Paper hug, hug, that cute little, I'm here for you always. I know this is tough. The next best thing is a real one, or to a real one. Before I sent it, I gave this card a big hug. I miss you, and I can't wait to hug you. You are never alone. I wish I could give you a hug. Well, the hug is one of those. And then I know how much you could use a hug right now. So that's just perfect. That's just perfect. So that's what I got through Simon Says Stamp. And again, I'll have all that linked down below in the description box. And I don't know if this code... Oh, that's only valid for a couple more days. So, but if you need one, there it is. Meows. Meow 5. Meow 5. There you go. All right, and now on to some things that are not stamp related. I like to do all kinds of crafting. I think you guys know that. I make felt stuff. I do cross stitch. I crochet. I like to dabble. And so my brother-in-law that had my name also got me this, which was perfect. Now this is going to end up being an 8x12. This is a whole kit. So it comes with the I can't think. It comes with the fabric that you need, the kind of cross-stitch fabric that you would use, along with all of the floss that you need. And then this is what I will end up making. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. And I want to hang this in our trailer because I think it's fabulous. So there's that one. It's called Life. And then my adorable son. He's just awesome. He not only got me a popcorn maker for the microwave, he also got me a couple of counter cross stitch. He got me the Mandalorian and Baby Yoda, and these will make bookmarks, which is fabulous. I don't know if you guys liked the Mandalorian or if you even watched the Mandalorian, but it was a really wonderful series that they had on Disney Plus. And So yeah, he got me a couple of the bookmarks so I can make bookmarks. And what's great about it is, you know, it has the pattern, and so I can make as many bookmarks as I want. So this will be something fun to do. Alright, so that is actually all that I have to share with you. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I will have lots of stuff coming up throughout this next year, and I hope that you have an amazing 2021. Thanks for everything you guys have done. You guys are awesome. I love you, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.